Today we're going to talk about the miraculous benefits of leech therapy, the common myths that most people have when it comes to the use of these leeches. Is it painful? Is there any side effect? How does it work? Why does it work? Or for skin, for incurable hair conditions, for inflammatory conditions, for condition where the patient had no idea that the problem that I have, is there even anything for temporary relief? For such conditions, leech has the power to cure the root cause. It is shown in the hands of the god of Ayurveda for a reason, in the hands of Lord Dhanvantri. With blessings of Lord Dhanvantri, let us begin with this video and talk about the miraculous benefits of leech therapy. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovis. To explain you this topic in easy language, let us talk about the 5 Panchakarma. Panchakarma are the oldest and the most authentic way of detoxification. It's not the massage, it's not the relaxing process, the Shirodhara. Those are the Purva Karma. Before the Panchakarmas, those are often done. Panchakarma is mainly for the internal body detoxification. So, Vaman Virechan Basti Nasya Rakta Mokshan. About Rakta Mokshan, Acharya Shushruta, who is the father of surgery, explains that it is 50% of the treatment. 50% of the treatment with just Rakta Mokshan. We have to understand the importance of blood to understand this. Blood maintains and supports the body just like the roots support the tree. It is considered as a jiva, as life. And when this blood is vitiated by the doshas, it causes various diseases. And Rakta Mokshan is a treatment where the vitiated blood is expelled out from the body. Rakta Mokshan, to understand in simple language, 2 classification: Shastra, use of instrument; Anushastra, without the use of instrument. Shastra, it is of 2 types, Prachan Siravet. We'll discuss this in some other video. Anushastra, there is Jaloka Shrunga Alabo Ghati. Jaloka, which is the leech therapy. It is a Anushastra, which is a type of Rakta Mokshan. Right type of Rakta Mokshan, if it is given, if it is done for the right patient, we see miraculous result. Acharya Shushruta, father of surgery, explains that when Rakta is vitiated by the Pitta, leech therapy is to be done. For problems of Pitta, leeches work great. Before we understand the benefits, let's first talk about the mode of action. How does it really work? First, it removes or sucks the impure blood out from the body. Wherever there is infection, it will first go over there and suck. If this part is normal, no pain, no infection, if leeches are applied, it will not do anything. It will not do its action. If leeches is applied at the infected area, just an example, leeches will go start its process. So to suck the impure blood, in most cases, Rakta vitiation is seen. So leech immediately starts its process. Leech, it sucks the impure blood out from the body. And the second most important action that leeches have is that it produces certain enzymes. Its saliva has certain enzymes that are very essential, that are not present, you can say, in any food, herb, drug, medicine, supplement. It is not present. The saliva has the enzymes, it produces the enzymes that are required to cure the problem. Essential enzymes like the hirudin, which have an anticoagulant effect. Enzymes like the antistasin, eglin, hirustasin, these are analgesic, which means to reduce the pain. They are anti-inflammatory, which means to reduce the inflammation. There are essential enzymes like the serotin, the kaolin, decrosin. For the extracellular matrix degeneration, there is the hyaluronidase as well as the collagenase. Various other enzymes that are very essential to heal the patient. So 2 actions: to suck the impure blood, to give the enzymes that the body really requires. It is said as Pitta Nasti Daha. Daha is the burning, Nasti is the without, and Pitta, wherever there is burning, there is Pitta. Wherever there is Pitta, Acharya Shushruta says, do leech. So leeches work great for Pitta related problems. Problems like, you can take an example, acne, pimples, there is the skin diseases, psoriasis, fungal infection, dermatitis, eczema. All these conditions, leeches work great. Now leech, as you know, it's a Panchakarma, right? Let us understand the difference in Panchakarma and medications. Panchakarma what it does is that it removes the aggravated doshas out from the body. Whenever doshas are aggravated, the problems are seen. So these aggravated doshas, Panchakarma removes it out, and the medications balances the Panchakarma. Balanced doshas is the balanced state. It is very important to remove the aggravated ones. Why? Because we need faster results. Leech is something that you can do only at a center. We are lucky enough, we are thankful to be in 40 plus countries, providing our services, providing treatments to patients and helping them heal because of Ayurveda. But in this process, leeches cannot be sent because leeches are always to be done under Ayurvedic physicians, supervision. Proper guidance, proper maintenance, proper supervision is important. It is only done at the center. It cannot be sent online. Hence, we do the Virechan, which is a Panchakarma for Pitta elevation. We do certain different medications, different Panchakarmas that heal those patients. The leech, very important point, to be done only at a center. Other problems like the varicose veins or increased uric acid, you see gout, you see painful conditions like cervical spondylosis, you see lumbar spondylosis, you see sciatica, knee joint osteoarthritis, pain in the wrist, tendinitis, frozen shoulder. All these problems, they are cured with the help of leech, because we see a vitiation of blood for sure in these particular cases. For inflammatory conditions, wherever you see this one word itis, sinusitis, rhinitis, bronchitis, vasculitis, appendicitis, mastitis, endless diseases, this inflammation, they're often stubborn. Patient years and years is taking their medications, nothing can be done. In those cases, Ayurvedic treatment with Panchakarma, with the leech, with the medication, it relieves the patient. The root cause is cured. No more rhinitis, no more bronchitis, no more sinusitis, all because of the god of Ayurveda, Lord Dhanvantari. So again, what all are the more benefits of leech? As we said, skin disease, painful condition. Also for increasing height, leeches are applied at this particular marma. Various marmas are explained for various problems. For conditions like the plantar fasciitis, for conditions like the terrible heel pain, what medicine is there? There is no medicine. For the terrible heel pain, for terrible pain in the feet, burning in the feet, in such cases, with one leech therapy, patient sees magical result. 80%, 70%, 90% pain gone with just one or two leeches at the affected part. Leeches are that helpful. For emergency conditions as well, leeches work great. There was a patient, the parent, they were taking the child to the hospital, rushing because of terrible pain because of appendicitis. So parent just called and said, sir, do you have anything in Ayurveda? So I said, yes, Ayurveda will help you in such emergency conditions as well. So we got the patient at the center. We did the Jaloka Upcharan at McBurney's point, 4 to 5 at the McBurney's point. We did that, and as the leeches started sucking the blood, the patient's pain started reducing. We repeated in 10 days time. In this 10 days span, no pain at all. So after 10 days, we repeated for the second time. Patient felt better, no changes, no pain. After 10 days, we did a sonography. Here there's a before which is showing appendicitis. Here the appendix is normal. Without the removal of organ, these are the results. The inflammation was gone because of the leech therapy. I have seen such miracles of leech therapy. The legendary Ayurveda practitioners, the senior practitioners, the ones that are legends in Ayurveda, you can imagine the kind of experiences they have taken when it comes to leech therapy. I was fortunate enough to be with some of the practitioners and learn under them and get this precious knowledge and help or try to help in doing something for the patients to give them or heal them, all because of Ayurveda and all because of such beautiful treatments. One of them is the leech therapy. There are often questions like, is it painful? So the pain that you have, at least 1% of that pain leech will give you. 1% only for that time, or less than that. It just bites, but less than this pinch you get the pain. So more than the pain you have, it's always best to go with the leech. Leeches are not compulsory. It is for speeding up the process, for immediate recovery, to relieve the pain, to relieve the patient from the symptoms. Also, not just symptoms, but it is said that then and there itself, the samprapti is bhang, the samprapti is clear, the pathogenesis stops then and there itself. In conditions like the herpes, where patient is, you can say, irresistible, in such condition of herpes, Siravet, venesection therapy and leech therapy works great. Within that moment or that day itself, patient gets all fit and fine with leech therapy. So many benefits we see of leech therapy. There is also a question that is it safe? So leeches, there are 12 types. 6 are poisonous, 6 are non-poisonous. The ones that are non-poisonous are only kept at a Ayurvedic center. So Ayurvedic doctor, when leeches are there, they also maintain it in that particular manner. Proper care is taken. Fresh leeches are applied for the patient, and after the treatment, the vomit is properly done. The sucked blood by the leeches, the sucked blood is vomited out, so that there is no harm to the leech. The leech is alive, safe, and all well. So proper care is taken. Acharya Shushruta says there is the Purva Karma, Pradhan Karma, Paschat Karma, pre-operative, operative, post-operative, proper care. Everything is explained by the Acharyas. So Ayurvedic doctors, if they are keeping the leeches, they have to maintain it properly. They have to follow all the rules, which everybody follows for sure. So these are all the benefits. There is no side effect, there is no infection so far. Never it is possible to see any kind of side effect and all, not at all. Leech works great for alopecia areata, a very common problem. Urticaria, very common problem. You can say problems where you search on the internet, you search that there is no cure. Leech has the power to cure, because Acharya Shushruta says 50% of the treatment with leech. Leech works really great. It is very important to consult an authentic Ayurvedic practitioner who has all the love and faith and practices Ayurveda with all belief and all enthusiasm, all energy, all faith on Ayurveda. So it's very important to consult a practitioner and get the right treatment done, because it's not just about the leech, it's about the right Rakta Mokshan for the right patient. That works great. This is all for now. If I've missed out on anything, if you have any doubts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Do like, share this video further. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.